Hey guys, we're Jake and Brooke Make, and today we're going to be redoing our patio pavers.
Funny story behind all of this. We went to the store, found the pavers we wanted, and bought them. Great news. We got exactly what we wanted, right?
Yep.
Bad news. We bought 4 pavers because it's a pattern that's too wide.
No.
And when we look at our steps, they're 3 wide.
6
So,
pavers total.
Yes.
So now we're going to show you what we have and what we're dealing with and where we're starting from.
So now that we have our spots, our old pavers taken out, we need to dig 3 more spots for our new pavers and also stamp down this dirt
To make it a little more flat.
a little level.
And something I was very curious about when we were at the store is, did we have or did we not have kind of laid weed paper and sand and all this typical stuff you do with a paver? We didn't buy that for our project because, quite frankly, it's more expensive and we don't mind weeding at this point. But the only thing I see in here is this thin green mesh net, and that's all that's there. You probably can't see that on camera, but that's all that's in here. So we're just gonna, like she said, rake it up and get going. So that about sums it up. We have our pavers in and we're all good, but
Now we're gonna wash it.